CTA Digital's adjustable folding laptop mount offers a variety of options for working while standing or sitting, at a counter or a desk, or virtually any place requiring a sturdy, reliable, and space-saving workstation. This sturdy aluminum mount folds to 1.5 inches flat, ideal for easy transport in a computer bag, backpack, or briefcase. It unfolds via two 180-degree joints, easily adjusting to the ideal position for posture and comfort. To adjust height, push the button in the center handle and pull. Release the button to lock the center panel in place at the desired height. Non-slip rubber grips and two front holders securely cradle laptops in place. This mount works with any laptop up to 13.8 inches wide and 22 pounds.